Hey there, it's Amelia. In this video, I'll show you how to work with column titles, including centering titles across cells and repeating column titles across different pages. Let's get started. So before I focus on the title, I just want to mention about centering within a cell. If you want to center text within a cell, just click on the cell or cells and then just go to the Home tab and click on the center icon in the alignment group. Now, if you have a whole entire column there where you want to center, you can click C, although in this case, since I have some other information at the top, I'm going to go ahead and use the mouse. You could also use your keyboard by using Shift down arrow and scroll all the way to the bottom. And let's say I want to center that particular range. Then I would click on the center, and the text is now centered in that whole range of cells. So now let's talk about centering text across multiple columns. So you might have a wide worksheet where you have a title at the top and you want to center it in the center of the entire worksheet. So to center text across multiple columns, select the text along with the additional cells across over which you would like to center the title. So I'm going to go up to column M here and then just select merge and center. It's that easy. And now your title is centered across. So let's click print preview and see how that looks. Now that looks fine, but if I scroll to the second page, you'll notice that the title is missing on the second and subsequent pages. So now what I'd like to do is show you how to repeat column titles on other pages. Here's how you would do that. So you would click on the Page Layout tab in the ribbon, and next click on the little diagonal arrow on the lower right of the Page Setup group. Next, in the Page Setup dialog box, click Sheet. And then what you want to focus on is the two fields here, rows to repeat at top and columns to repeat at left. So you can repeat titles at the top by selecting the rows, and those rows, all the information on those rows will repeat on the other pages. Now, if you also have columns containing titles on the left there, you could repeat those as well. What I'd like to do is repeat the titles in the first several rows, including the headings here that you see in row 10. So I'm going to click on this up arrow, which will collapse the dialog box so that I could see more of the worksheet. And then I'm going to go ahead using the row numbers and select all the rows that I want to repeat up to and including row 10. Next, I'm going to click on the down arrow to bring this dialog box back, and as you can see, it has formatted the row numbers for me. You don't have to worry about changing anything in the formatting. It does that automatically, and click OK. And now if I click File Print, we can see what it looks like on the second page. Great. So as you can see, this whole range up to row 10 will now repeat on every page. Well, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please click like. If you like my channel, please click subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.